Today we'll break down Antonio Berardi and Selena Trovar social dancing, Salsa. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Antonio starts with a crossbody lead with his style, front side open, clearing the line, changing places, and then anchoring to the back and doing a basic in place. Then executing a half right turn, stepping to the front, rotate to the right, and then half left turn, side, rotate, and now a right turn crossbody lead. A right turn, and then clearing the line for the crossbody lead. Then he executes another crossbody lead while shaking his hips as part of his styling. Watch it again. Front, side, shaking his hips while opening, and now stepping offline as a preparation for the crossbody lead 360. On the line, twist, open, then anchors to the back to do his styling. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on one or on two in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.